Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. We recognise how important it is for our staff and service users to understand our vision and plan, so we can all work towards the same goals. As a trusted partner, we will continue to work hard to support NHS Wales tackle those key issues. Our staff and service users are critical to our continued success. By working together, listening and learning, taking responsibility, and through innovation, we can become a world-class organisation. I would like to thank you all for all your hard work and dedication. Without all of your achievements, this would not be possible.
Each NHS organisation in Wales is required to prepare and submit a 3-year integrated medium-term plan to Welsh Government, or more commonly known as the IMTP. So the IMTP outlines our direction for the next 3 years, and the document is led by information received from every service and shared services. Over the past 2 years, we have put all of our main strategic drivers onto one document called a strategy map to help us develop our IMTP. We have 8 overarching goals that set our long-term strategy. 1. We will promote a consistency of service across Wales by talking and listening to our partners. 2. We will extend our services to increase value for money and innovation, benefiting the people of Wales. 3. We will continue to standardise, innovate and modernise our service delivery models to achieve prudent healthcare. 4. We will encourage people to want to work and stay with us by attracting, training and keeping them. 5. We will use our resources effectively so that as the need for our services grow, we can maintain a balanced financial plan. 6. We will provide excellent customer service and we will maximise efficiency by providing our services in one way across Wales. 7. We will deliver a world-class service and use our skills and expertise to help NHS Wales tackle key issues. 8. We will support NHS Wales meet their challenges by sharing good practice and identifying opportunities.
Gives you a foundation and a focus, I guess, of where we're going, and whatever we're doing, that is almost your brief. That's what you're trying to deliver, and that's what you're working toward.
It encourages innovation as well, doesn't it?
Yes.
It gives people the confidence to know what the strategic direction of the organisation is and contribute to that because they have a better understanding of it. I think if it wasn't there, we would be like an udderless boat.
Part of the IMTP focuses on service delivery, and it essentially helps me to inform myself and others in relation to reporting, monitoring, measurement and innovation within the organisation.
Our annual review of the plan helps us to plot and assess progress over a repeated 3-year cycle to ensure that we are achieving our goals. It also helps us to keep thinking about whether and how our activities are aligned to our strategy, so that our goals and values remain always at the heart of what we do every day.
The IMTP helps me do my job, as it helps me understand what projects are valuable to shared services and what projects add value to employment services.
The IMTP allows me to have a clear line of sight from single projects through to our strategic objectives. And within the Programme Management Office, it allows me to keep a close focus on appropriate resource utilisation and also ensure the right work is undertaken to support the organisational objectives.
So for us, firstly, working on IMTP has really helped us to look at what we've actually achieved already so far. Going forward, it's really helped us to focus on what our priorities need to be. I think it's only natural as a Wales-wide digital programme of work for us to want to improve all our workforce processes. However, with such a small team, looking at the IMTP, it's really helped us to focus on what our key areas need to be over the next few years.
If you would like to know more, you can find our full IMTP document on our website, www.nwssp.wales.nhs.uk. The full IMTP is written in 2 sections. The first section provides you with the vision and the plans for the organisation as a whole, Each department has written their own plan of what they intend to do over the next 3 years, and all of these plans are included in section 2. So if you would like to just read one department's plan, then you can without reading the whole document.